Good wishes to all of you. Social Science, the Earth, our Habitat. Textbook in Geography for Class 6th. Chapter 8, India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. You read in newspapers daily and watch on TV or hear others talking about weather. You must know that weather is about day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall and sunshine, etc. For example, as such it may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calm. You must have noticed that when it is hot continuously for several days, you don't need any warm clothing. You also like to eat or drink cold things. In contrast, there are days together you feel cold without woolen clothes. When it is very windy and chilly, you would like to have something hot to eat. Broadly, the major seasons recognized in India are cold weather season, winter, December to February. Hot weather seasons, summer, March to May. Southwest monsoon season, rainy, June to September. Seasons of retreating monsoon, autumn, October and November. Cold weather seasons or winter. During the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. As a result, the temperatures are quite low in northern India. Hot weather seasons or summer. In the hot weather season, sun rays more or less directly fall in this region. Temperature becomes very high, hot and dry winds called loo blow during the day. Let's have fun. People in all parts of our country drink delicious cool drinks called sharbat made from fruits available in their regions. They are excellent thirst quenchers and protect our bodies from the ill effect of the harsh loo. Have you tried sharbat made from raw mango, bell, lemon, tamarind, kokum, pulsa, watermelon and buttermilk made from curds? For example, chach, matha, mori, cash, etc. Make Many make banana and mango milkshakes too. After a hot summer, the first rains bring much joy. All our languages have melodious songs on rhymes. They sound happy and bring cheer. Learn two songs on rhymes and sing them together. Write or collect five poems on rhymes. Ask your friends, neighbors, and family members for names for rhymes and other seasons in different languages. For instance, Varsha Hindi, Paus Marathi, Barish Urdu, Borsha Bengali. Southwest monsoon season or rainy season. The season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon. The winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountain barriers, rainfall occurs. Season of retreating monsoon or autumn. Winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. This is the season of the retreating monsoons. The southern parts of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. However, the climate is above the average weather condition, which have been measured over many years. The climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word Mausim, which means seasons. Due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. Agriculture in India is dependent on rains. Good monsoons mean adequate rain and a bountiful crop. What would happen if monsoons were weak or even worse, failed to occur one year? Tick the correct answer. Crops will be affected, not affected. The level of the water in a well will come up, go down. Summer will be longer, shorter. Let's do. On a map of India, look at the places mentioned in the paragraph. Take a look at figure 8.1, tropical rain forests. The climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea and relief. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. They are neither too hot nor too cold. Being on the coast, these places are very humid. Monsoon in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall. While in a particular year it might not rain at all in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Natural vegetation. We see a variety of plant life in our surroundings. How nice it is to play in a field with green grasses. There are also small plants called bushes and shrubs like cactus and flowering plants, etc. Besides, there are many tall trees, some with many branches and leaves like neem, mango, or some which stand with few leaves, such as palm. The grasses, shrubs, and trees which grow on their own without interference or help from human beings are called natural vegetation. Do you wonder how these differ from each other? Different types of natural vegetation are depend on different climatic conditions, among which the amount of rainfall is very important. Due to varied climatic conditions, India has a wide range of natural vegetation. Why are forests necessary? Forests are very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plants release oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. The roots of the plants bind the soil, thus they control soil erosion. Forests provide us with timber for furniture, fuel wood, fodder, medicinal plants, and herbs like honey, gum, etc. Take a look at figure 8.2. What we get from forest: medicine, shelter, fodder, fuel, sports goods, furniture, binding, rubber, timber, natural habitat for wildlife, gum and like fruits, honey, oxygen. Forests are the natural habitat of wildlife. Natural vegetation has been destroyed to a large extent because of the reckless cutting of trees. We should plant more trees and protect the existing ones and make people aware of the importance of trees. We can have special programs like Van Mahotsav to involve more people in making our earth green. Leela's parents planted a sapling of neem to celebrate her birthday. On each birthday, a different sapling was planted. It was watered regularly and protected from severe heat, cold, and animals. Children took care not to harm it. When Leela was 20, 21 beautiful trees stood in and around her house. Birds built their nests on them. Flowers bloomed. Butterflies fluttered around them. Children enjoyed their fruits, swung on their branches, and played in their shade. Wildlife. Forests are home to a variety of wildlife. There are thousands of species of animals and a large variety of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects, and worms which dwell in the forest. The tiger is our national animal. It is found in various parts of the country. Gir Forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. Elephants and one-horned rhinoceros roam in the forest of Assam. Elephants are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camels and wild asses are found in the Great Indian Desert and the Ran of Kutch respectively. Wild goats, snow leopards, bears, etc. are found in the Himalayan region. Besides this, many other animals are found in our country such as monkey, wolf, jackal, nilgai, cheetal, etc. India is equally rich in birdlife. The peacock is our national bird. Other common birds are parrots, pigeons, myna, geese, bulbul, and ducks. There are several bird sanctuaries which have been created to give birds their natural habitat. These provide the birds protection from hunters. Can you name 5 birds that are commonly found in your area? There are several hundreds of species of snakes found in India. Cobras and kites are important among them. Due to cutting of forests and hunting, several species of wildlife of India are declining rapidly. Many aspects have already become extinct. In order to protect them, many national parks, sanctuaries, and biosphere reservoirs have been set up. The government has also started proje- Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals. Can you name some wildlife sanctuaries of India and locate them on a map? You can also contribute in conserving wildlife. You can refuse to buy things made from parts of the bodies of animals, such as their bones, horns, fur, skins, and features. Every year, we observe Wildlife Week in the first week of October to create awareness of conserving the habitats of the animal kingdom. Take a look at figure 8.4. Large scale poaching arrested in Simlipa Reserve. Will center wildlife lovers finally kiss and make up? Big cats vanishing from Uttaranchal. More sariskas in the making. Villages and tiger reserves must be relocated. Crammed in Gir lines pine for grassland. Tiger crisis, have we done enough to check poaching? Task force begin today meet. Why do poachers kill tigers? What will happen if tigers vanish from our forests? Have you ever visited any tiger reservoirs or a zoo where tigers are kept? Migratory birds. Some birds such as pintail duck, curlews, flamingo, osprey and little stint migrate to our country in winter season every year. Smallest migratory bird little stint weighing as low as 15 gram from Arctic region travel over 8,000 kilometers to reach India. Exercises. Answer the following questions briefly. A. Which winds bring rainfall in India? Why is it so important? B. Name the different seasons in India. C. What is natural vegetation? Take the correct answer. The world's highest rainfall occurs in wild goats and snow leopards are found in. During the southwest monsoon period, the moisture laden winds blow from. Fill in the blanks. Hot and dry winds known as dash blow during the day in the summers. The states of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu receive a great amount of rainfall during the season of dash. Dash forest is Gujarat is the home of dash. For fun. 1. Make a list of trees in your neighborhood and collect pictures of plants, animals and birds and paste them in your copy. Plant a sapling near your home and nurture it and write down the changes you observe for a few months. Does any migratory bird come in your locality? Try to identify that. Be watchful in the winter season. Visit a zoo in your city or visit a nearby forest or a sanctuary with your elders. Look carefully at the various types of wildlife there. State and Union Territories of India. State capital, Union Territory capital. Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Chandigarh, Chandigarh. Assam, Dispur. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. Bihar, Patna. Daman and Diu, Daman. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. Goa, Panaji. Puducherry, Puducherry. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. National Capital Territory of Delhi, Delhi. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Impal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Tripura, Agartala, West Bengal, Kolkata. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Some internet sources for more information. Thank you.